How you doing?
How you doing?
I think they're talking about you.
Yeah, they are.
What?
Yeah, you're right there. Just make sure you keep an eye on them.
I'm right here with him.
What do you want?
I'm trying to tell you, slow down, buddy. I didn't say nothing to you.
I don't know you.
Sir, it's LP. I don't know you either. I'm telling you what he told me to come to tell you. He's my boss. I'm telling you what happened, sir.
Hey, hold on.
What's going on, buddy? He's going to turn up.
What do you want?
What happened, buddy?
Asshole out of your sight, man. He's not going to get another wash and dry on us again.
Basically, they're saying that you took the washer and dry, that they don't want you trying to make your way out the door with the washer and dry like last time.
This is my first time at this location. What the hell is he talking about?
Go ahead, buddy. Tell him what you said. If is this the gentleman you got me approaching?
Yeah, I'm talking about that asshole right there in front of you. Do not let him out of your sight.
Told you thought I was talking about you for no reason.
Get his ass over here.
But
maybe he
tell him, buddy.
mistaken.
Yeah,
Hey,
tell him.
Let me tell. Hold on. Maybe you got me mistaken for somebody else, Doc. But this is my first time here, so I ain't never got nothing from here. So you need to get over here.
There you go. So you charging me, my man?
Real tough,
I don't know
man.
what you talking
I
about.
guarantee you he don't want me to go over there.
No, I want you to come over
Hold on.
here.
You can't talk at the same time. Go ahead.
No, you come over here. Accusing me to do something I ain't did.
Tell that asshole I'm on my way right now. Let's see if
Yeah,
he acts the
tell him
same
come
way when
over
I
here.
get over there.
No, I'm on my. Come on.
He gonna come, buddy.
I don't know what you want with me.
I didn't say I
don't know-
want with you. Why you
Bro,
keep
I ain't
saying me
talking
that?
about you. You
Yeah.
ain't one talking to me, bro.
I'm telling you, but you keep telling me that. If it was,
Get him over here. He the one.
he
that got
said
the
he's
problem.
coming.
Y'all stop me for something, bro.
See, there you go, y'all. You keep saying. If it was me, I would already slammed you, took you down. I'm not doing that.
You're not gonna slam me.
I said
bro.
if it was me, I would have took you down.
No, you not gonna put your hands on me.
If it was-
let's get that straight.
If it was me, I would have had to.
No, you wouldn't have.
Yes, I
Because
would
I
have.
would have rolled you up in here, partner.
You know, I don't care about no write up.
No, I ain't talking about no write up. I'ma slide you, my nigga.
Me?
Yeah.
I doubt you can slide me.
No, I doubt you can.
He's right here.
Now what we saying?
No, what you accusing me of? Because I don't. This is my first time here at this location.
They doing pranks. Don't
Are
worry
you
about
sure
it.
about
They
that?
doing pranks.
Huh?
We got you on camera last time.
Well, go show it to me.
Come on.
Why are you arguing with them? They doing prank on you.
A prank?
No.
Yeah, that's what they do.
No. Well, tell 'em
They
go
don't
on.
work here. That's what I'm telling you. They don't
Oh,
work
okay.
here.
Well, tell them go on, get going.
You said something.
Yeah, I did.
You ain't say nothing, bro.
Yeah, I said something.
What you want to do then?
What,
What you want to do then?
Don't beat him up, bro. Don't beat him up.
I'll slam his ass on the floor.
We grown up outside. Come on. I don't know now what y'all. I don't know what you come over here talking to me for.
Nigga like a Kit Kat.
Man, whatever. You gonna find out who I am. Yeah. I know you think you got something soft, but I'm gonna show you, partner.
You gonna show me?
Why
Come on, let's
you
go
exposing
here.
him as a thief?
Come
Don't
on.
be putting him out there.
Hey,
That's what I'm
say, matter of fact, me and you can go somewhere, ain't nobody but me and you.
Where?
And ain't nobody got to stop.
Where they gonna go?
Yeah, last man standing.
Where they going?
Yeah, we can go whatever. Yeah, we go real talk.
Come on, we do it right now. Then. Oh, you ain't saying nothing to me.
Come
You
on,
ain't
let's go
saying nothing to
outside.
me. Hold this down.
There you go. He's
Let's
good.
go outside. We finna go find us a corner. So you want somebody to stop you. I don't want nobody to
I
stop
don't
you.
want nobody to stop. You talking.
No, I ain't. I'm dead serious. No, we finna go somewhere.
All right, no
where
more
nobody can
talking.
stop
No
you,
more
man.
talking. See y'all go outside.
Yeah. We finna go somewhere where can't nobody stop you.
Damn, bro, you gonna do him like the last person?
Yeah, I'm gonna do his ass like.
Oh, he going to the car. He don't want to do nothing. Oh, I thought y'all gonna fist fight like old school. He going to the car. He don't want to fight.
Favor, did you see that lady with the bandana on?
Buddy, that thing.
With the glasses on her head?
Come again? Who you talking about, boss?
Yeah, can you do me a favor? Can you stop that older lady? We're getting complaints that she's been shoplifting.
Excuse me, ma'am. We're talking about you. Yes.
Man. About what? An older lady? You got something wrong here.
Hold on.
But you were here.
No, what'd you say? Hold on, boss. What'd you say?
Yeah, can you just check her out real quick because I've been getting complaints that she's been shoplifting.
Yeah, but they're talking about you.
What do you want to do?
Can you come right here to the aisle? Oh no, that's for
So she
security
got like
purposes.
she got a beard.
I got a beard. What do you need, sir?
Yeah, they were talking about you, man.
Well, what do you need? What do you need from me? Let's observe. Let's
Look here,
get the
ma'am.
stop.
Calm down. All we're trying to do is just find out if you're the one shoplifting, ma'am.
No, I'm not sure.
You want to do the cavity search on her or no?
Yeah, if you can go ahead and search her. You got my permission.
Why does he keep saying her?
What? Tell him. He can hear you.
He's already told me to calm down. I'm just asking, why is he calling me her?
Why are you calling her her?
Him? What? I'm not a female, man.
What's the problem? I don't even know what the problem is.
Let's go do your search and get this over with. So stop this.
Tell him you're gonna do the search.
let's-
She said.
come on,
She
let's
said.
go.
Where did she do the search at?
Listen, let's go do this. Come on, come on.
But you want me to search the lady? That was a complaint last time I searched the lady. I'm not gonna search a lady.
No, that's fine. I already told you. You got my permission. You can search her.
God, man. It's,
What?
let's come on.
So you want to do the naked search again?
Let's do
All right, let's do it. Pamper so you can put on.
You're serious.
Did you want me to get a pamper for her?
Told you. What'd you say, boss? Come again? I didn't hear you the last part.
I want it all on film too.
I said, do you want me to get a pamper so she can put on?
Yes. What size are you in Pampers?
I'm not wearing anything. I'm not gonna wear a pants. You can. Let's just do this, guys. That's the way it is. It is. Come on. Do I look like I've shoved something down my pants?
Where did she? She said. Where did she put something up down her pants?
I think she put it like in her. They're saying that she put it like in her coochie.
Y'all need to stop your foolishness and move on to go do something else.
Come on in, Daddy.
What's going on, buddy?
Hey, do me a favor and help Ballhead right there. The one right there next to you.
You need help?
Oh, yeah. I need this. I'm looking for this.
Tell him what you
This is
need.
bald head.
Say it again.
Look. 3 feet?
He needs to tell him
No,
what it
he
is.
say no.
No?
I showed him a picture of this. He say no, not this.
No, it's another dude. That other dude don't know what he's talking about. This dude know what he's talking about.
Okay, look.
Hey, come back.
What? Let me scan it. Put it on here. Put it on the thing. Put it up here on top. Click it. Just tap it.
I'll tell you what this?
Yeah.
This right here?
Yeah. No.
Oh.
Tap the phone to this.
Hey, whenever you get done with that asshole, let me know, because I got some more assholes to help out also.
Oh, wow. Look who's that guy.
Boss, he can hear you, buddy.
Ain't no asshole here, brother.
Oh, shit. Lower down the mic then, dude.
Ain't no asshole here. What's your name, Vado?
What'd you say? Tell him. No. Tell him.
Vado.
Vado.
Yeah.
What'd you say, Vado?
Yeah. What happened? What's the problem?
Hello?
Vado, what's going on, my man? I'm right here with your man.
Okay, yeah, I'm trying to get some RCA cables for the car audio.
Yeah, he said 3 feet. My boss is bringing them right now. I'm right here with your man, Ballhead, and we're right here.
Alright, so I need
Whenever you finish with the asshole, let me know, because we got some other stuff we got to do also.
Whose boss is that, man?
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, three. I need 3 of
Let
them.
me talk to him.
Hey, Vado.
Yes.
Hey, you don't need no weed or nothing either, do you?
No. Vado, no.
Vado,
Man, you know what? Don't even worry about him. He probably ain't going to spend no money anyway. He probably don't have no money. We're over there trying to help him out.
You know what I'm saying? Vado, no. But he said he need 3. I need 3 RCA cables, 3 feet.
Okay, I got you, my man. And shit, it's gas.
This is Jacket right here,
Stop
right?
talking.
What is it? Where you?
You right here.
You asshole.
What's going
You was talking all that crap over the microphone, over the walkie-talkie, and I'm right here, man. You disturbing me out of my work.
Well, you don't even know me, bro.
You don't know me either.
Then why you calling me a jackhead?
Because that's what you are.
No, I'm not.
What's the problem?
Man, I need
Bald
the RCA cable.
You need the RCA cable. Did you bring them?
I got it, but not for him. I ain't got nothing for you.
All right, then cool. I'll just go somewhere else.
Bald head. Excuse me?
Give him a hug. My man,
I'm sorry, bro.
I'll help you.
I had a bad day. My bad, bro. I had a bad day.
You're right.
You know?
Yeah,
God bless you, man.
man.
God bless you. Sometimes you need this. All right, bro.
That's the boss, you know.
Okay.
So I can't really just go get some.
Okay. All right, brother. You got the cables? You got the cable?
Damn. He's
All right,
crying.
brother.
He's crying. What'd you do to him?
Okay, man.
Huh?
It's all love, man. It's all love. It's all love, brother. It's all love. All right, brother. All right. All right, brother. All right.
He usually gets like strong hugs. He likes to be hugged, you know.
All right, brother. You good? You good?
His squirrel just died too the other day.
Oh, what? Squirrel? Pet squirrel? All right, brother. We good. We good. We good, man. We good, bro.
Yeah, so I think he's having a breakdown from the squirrel. You heard me?
Yeah.
You heard me?
Uh-huh. All right, bro.
You want to know the name of the squirrel?
Oh, wait, come on. All right, bro. All right, we
No, I'm
good.
saying, no, said you want to know the
Hey,
name.
bro. Hey, bro, we good, man. Come on, bro.
You heard me?
What?
The name, you just tell him, hey, I feel bad for the squirrel. Like,
Okay, I
his
feel
name
bad
was-
for the squirrel, brother.
no, I'm saying his name was Squirrel Blue.
Squirrel Blue.
Tell him, hey, I feel bad for Squirrel Blue. I wish he was here.
I feel bad for Squirrel. Wish you was here, brother.
No, Squirrel Blue. Say the name right. He just
Squirrel Blue, man. Squirrel
tell
Blue,
him, I
brother.
feel bad for Squirrel Blue. I wish he was here.
I feel bad for Squirrel Blue. I wish you was here, brother.
Man, let him go. It's good. It's good.
Yeah. All right. All right. All right, bro.
Yeah. Got him right here.
Not me.
No, I don't know if it's you or not. They just have a picture of somebody. He's right here. If it's not you, it's not you.
Picture of what?
What is the picture of?
Hey, you got like a brown shirt, like a light tan shirt?
It's a tan sweater. I don't know what you mean by the picture.
Yeah, it's just that same asshole from last time that wanted to be coming over here and stealing everything.
Oh, not me. I ain't even worried about
Tell
that.
him. Tell him.
Tell him. Y'all got the wrong motherfucker, not me.
It was you.
What?
He said he has a. You have a picture of him?
Yeah, I got a picture of that asshole.
Yeah, well, bring the picture then.
Here, tell him. You hear
Bring
me?
the picture.
Here, look. Tell him. He can hear you.
Tell him bring the picture.
No, I'm saying tell him.
What?
You gotta tell. He can hear you.
Tell him bring the picture if he got a picture of me.
Tell him.
Because I'm never in town. I ain't even here all the time.
You can take him down.
Yeah, here's the boss right here.
No, y'all just took that picture of me. I've been sitting here.
We've been watching you the whole time.
What I got then?
We got multiple pictures.
Nice.
How you doing?
This dude saying they got multiple pictures of me.
Turn around, please.
Huh?
Can you turn around, please?
Yeah. I just walked.
Do you want to do
Hold on, let me call.
the cavity
I'll
search
call
or
you.
no?
Alright.
Are you okay with
Yeah,
the
we'll go
cavity
ahead and do
search?
a cavity
Oh,
search.
hell no. Y'all tripping?
Here, tell him no then. If you don't get the consent, then it's fine.
Man, what the fuck y'all doing, bro?
Nah, if it ain't
Nah, y'all playing games, bro. Get the fuck.
that ain't you.
Man, y'all better get the fuck playing games. Nah, y'all pissing me
No,
the fuck off.
no, I'm serious. Ain't nobody playing games.
Yeah, but you fucking grabbing me and shit like
Nah,
that.
he was searching you.
Man, he wasn't searching me like
Around
that.
this
Then he
time
put my,
of the- around
then he
this
put my
time-
motherfucking hat on my head, man.
Around this time,
Buddy,
we
why'd
had
you
so many
send him? You know-
shoplifters, and we just
Why'd you send Red to come do the search? You know he's aggressive with it. Send somebody
Bro,
else.
Red about to get the fuck beat out of me. Y'all can call the police, whoever y'all want.
ain't
Y'all
gonna
ain't
do
gonna do
nothing.
that. Okay,
we ain't gonna do nothing.
okay.
You gonna fight again? Don't beat up these people, bro.
Ain't nobody gonna fucking beat nobody up.
No, I'm saying he be beating up everybody he
Yeah,
searches.
he gonna get beat the fuck down in here.
I haven't finished searching them. Let me finish searching.
Okay,
them.
go ahead.
Can you turn around one more time? What's your name?
Man, look. Y'all fucking with the wrong one. Just
You
give him
can't
by
leave.
me.
You can't leave right now.
Nah, he can leave. Fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna
You
leave.
good?
Hey,
You want me to
come over
send
here,
that
'cause
girl,
I'm
or
about to-
is
I'm
Red
about to
doing a
get
good
the
job
fuck
over
out
there?
of here. Come over here right here by the fishing and what you call it? Come
We're at the
fuck out of this dude.
H2OX.
You could do my buying when I come out. Yeah, come over here right quick. Just come over here.
Bring the taser
Pepper spray.
and the pepper spray because we have
Yeah,
somebody.
I don't care what the fuck you bring. Come over here right quick. I just want you to come over
Hey,
here.
how much pepper spray do you think we need?
So when the motherfucker get, when I do what I do,
You know
got
what?
my
I'll
stuff.
just go grab the rest of me. I'll go grab it because she's
Yeah.
moving slow.
Okay.
Would you like me to go grab
I'm
it?
right